AI has changed everything. Over 200,000 people started an AI side hustle in 2025. People are making thousands of dollars building AI chatbots, automating businesses, designing AI art, even running entire agencies powered by ChatGPT. But there's one thing 90% of them haven't done, and it could destroy their business overnight. They're launching fast, without protecting themselves legally. So in this video, I'll show you how to form an LLC the smart way in 2026 and give you 7 real AI business ideas you can start right now that actually need legal protection. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Imagine your AI bot sends a wrong email that loses a client $5,000. Or your AI image accidentally uses copyrighted material. Who's responsible? You are. That's the scary truth. If you're freelancing or running your AI business without an LLC, you are the business, which means every risk, tax, and lawsuit hits your personal life directly. Forming an LLC creates a legal shield. It separates you from your business, giving you credibility and protection so you can scale safely. The AI Gold Rush. Why it's time to go legit. Here's the reality. 2026 is the year of the AI entrepreneur. AI agencies, automation freelancers, and prompt engineers are popping up everywhere. The ones who treat it like a business, not a side gig, will dominate. And forming an LLC is step 1. Clients trust companies. They pay more. They sign bigger deals. So if you want your AI hustle to grow, you need that LLC credibility on paper. 7 AI businesses worth turning into LLCs in 2026. Let's go over 7 AI businesses that people are building right now, and why forming an LLC gives you power, credibility, and protection. 1. AI Automation Agency. You help small businesses automate tasks using ChatGPT, Zapier, and make clients pay $500 to $2,000 per automation. With an LLC, you can sign business contracts and scale into a real agency. 2. AI Content Studio. Using tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Notion AI to write blogs, emails, and ads. Companies love AI-assisted writers, but they pay more if you're a registered business. 3. AI Design and Branding Studio. Create AI-generated logos, art, and brand kits using Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Sell packages via your LLC. Protects you from copyright disputes. 4. AI Chatbot Development. Build chatbots for websites using GPT-based APIs. Charge $100 to $1,000 per month for maintenance. Clients prefer to pay a business entity, not a random freelancer. 5. AI Voice and Video Agency. Use 11 Labs, Synthesia, or Pika Labs to create voiceovers and marketing videos. But be careful, deepfake and voice cloning laws are strict. Your LLC absorbs that legal risk, not you personally. 6. AI Data or Prompt Engineering Consultancy. Companies need better AI prompts and dataset optimization. An LLC lets you invoice internationally and work with US companies directly. 7. AI SaaS Micro-Startup. Build a small paid AI tool using APIs from OpenAI or Anthropic. Even a simple $10 per month app can hit $5,000 recurring revenue, but only if it's properly registered for taxes and Stripe verification. These 7 models all have one thing in common. The people who scale past $10,000 per month did one thing differently. They registered an LLC. Now, let's guide you the 6-step path from AI side hustle to registered LLC. Here's your roadmap. 6 simple steps to transform your AI idea into a legitimate US business, even if you're outside the US. Choose the right state. Delaware has investor credibility. Wyoming has privacy and low fees. And New Mexico is budget-friendly. Then, pick your LLC name. Make sure it's unique and brandable. Hire a registered agent, so your LLC always has a U.S. legal address, vital for non-residents. File your articles of organization. File online. Most states take 1 to 2 business days. Get your EIN from the IRS. It's free, takes 10 minutes, required for banking and payments. Open a business bank account. Use fintechs like Mercury or Relay to get U.S. accounts remotely. Once you've done that, your AI brand isn't just an idea, it's a business. You can sign contracts, open Stripe, and protect your profit. So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then, you'll select the type of business you want to form: LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business. Then, the company will take it from there to get your business registered. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. The money advantage, tax and growth benefits. Now, let's talk about the part nobody explains: tax savings. As an LLC, your AI expenses become business deductions. That's your ChatGPT Plus subscription, your design tools, even your internet bill. Overlay examples: ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney, Notion AI, Zoom, or cloud tools. And when your business starts earning $70,000 or more, you can elect to be taxed as an S-Corp, legally reducing self-employment tax and keeping thousands more in your pocket. From $80,000 income turns into $6,000. That's saved with S-Corp tax election. Quick warning: avoid these AI LLC mistakes. These are the 3 mistakes new AI founders make that can cost them big. Filing the LLC, but forgetting to get an EIN. Mixing personal and business accounts kills liability protection. Not having a simple operating agreement. Fix those 3, and your AI business will be legally bulletproof. Future vision: AI is rewriting the business playbook, and the winners will be those who treat their side hustles like companies, not hobbies. Forming an LLC isn't just paperwork. It's your first act as a real founder. If you want to see exactly how to open a US bank account remotely for your new AI LLC, that's the next video right here. Hit the like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more LLC and AI business videos, and let's build your future the legal way.